To create a mail merge, first of all, we have to create our main document. Main document means the main material or the information that is to be sent to different person or to different receivers. So first of all, just type your letter and then go on to the mailing tab and click on it. Now select the start mail merge button. When we click on it, we will see a drop down menu will appear, and from this menu we have to select the step by step mail merge wizard. Now click on this option. Now we will see a mail merge task pane will appear at the right side of our screen. There are 6 steps of this mail merge wizard. From this, the first is select document type. Here we have to select the letter option and then click on the next button at the bottom. Next step, that is step 2, is selecting starting document. Use the first option, that is use the current document, and then again click on the next step to go on to the next step. Third step is select recipient. There are 3 options. First is use an existing list. Select your Outlook contact and type a new list. From here we are going to choose the third option, that is type a new list, as we are not having any recipient list, and then click on the create option. Here a new address list dialog box will appear. Here we are going to create our recipient list or the data source, that means the list of all the receivers information. Here we are going to write all the information of our receivers, like their name, last name, their company name, their addresses, their contact number, etc., city, etc. We can also add or remove. Okay, again here let's see, the rows are termed as record and the columns are termed as field. Row is the combination of or is the information of all the receivers, and the column or the field will contain a particular kind of information of all the receivers. Just fill all the entries and to write or to enter for next receivers, click on the new entry button at the bottom of the dialog box. We will see a new row will appear, and here again we can enter all the details or all the column information of all the receivers. Now just fill up all the details. Again click on the new entry to add a third row, to add the third receiver's information. It's just a demo, so it is typing any random letters. We can type a regular or a detailed information of any person also. Just fill up all the information or the details, and once you are done, then click on OK. And now save your data source in any location wherever you want to store it, and type a name, give a name to your data source. Here the name is my list, and it is going to be stored in document folder. This when we click on save button, we will see a mail merge recipient dialog box will appear, and it will contain all the detail that we had just typed about our recipient. Here we can see a mail merge recipient dialog box will appear, and as we can see here, some checkbox are placed in front of all the receivers row. we can check it, means deselect or select the receivers to whom we want to send. If we do not want to send any of the receivers the letter, we can just uncheck those receivers checkbox. Once it is done, now click on OK button. Next, just as we can see here, our database is being connected in our select recipient task pane. Now click on the next button and write your letter. The fourth step is write your letter, as we had typed our letter. Now here we can merge all the data source in our letter. This can be done by using the address block. Here some of the address formats are given. Among all the formats, whichever we want or whichever we choose, we can select that and then just click on OK button. Next is greeting line. Greeting line will add some salutation to our receivers before the receiver's name, like dear or to, etc. Now click on OK. These are all known as merge. Here we can see our address blocks and greeting lines that we just added in our letter, and now click on next button, and next step is preview your letter. Here we can preview our letter by just clicking forward and next button of the recipient 1, 2 or 3. Now click on the next button at the below, and this is our final step, that is sixth step, and that is to complete the merge. Here we get a print option to take out the print of all the individual letters or for all the receivers. This is all for now. Next week we will see the new chapter. Thank you.